MTM as a training provider is a key element in the T.ELIAS project and is one of two organisations involved, i.e. MTM and the Institute for Applied Ergonomics. How did you manage to become involved in this field?
Wie sind Sie denn dazu gekommen zu diesem Thema?
The T.ELIAS project is all about receiving training in the field of industrial engineering, i.e. in the field of process preparation and process support, and providing further training for employees derived from the process. We made an offer to operate as a training provider, and we're also interested in becoming involved in the project with new forms and methods to combine this learning process with daily work. Do you believe that Germany has a lot to do to catch up in companies, particularly in the metal industry? Particularly as regards the continuity of learning and teaching, I believe this opens up a much better opportunity of keeping companies up to date and ensuring that employees' knowledge and skills are kept up to date too. We're comparatively good when it comes to initial qualifications and when it is a matter of training young industrial engineers. But this project helps us to practice providing ongoing training during a person's working life of 30 or 40 years. What kind of teaching courses do you offer? In which direction are things moving? What are the major themes? We've naturally started with classic issues that are part of our program, but we've always developed tailor-made programs with the project partners, that is to say, with the industrial partners in this project, and we've been specifically directed by the needs of the individual departments at the companies taking part. So we have a classic win-win situation, both for the training providers and the companies taking part? That's the goal. That is, of course, the wish of all those taking part, that we can provide direct gains and direct success for the partners involved, but also that we can publicize the results and particularly the methodical approach that we've jointly worked out in the process. Are you well on the way to achieving this? I've heard that a training session called MTM and Value Stream took place at Eickhoff. Have you had any feedback?
Gibt es da ein Feedback dazu schon?
At the outset, I said that we started from existing modules. But particularly in this project, we've noticed that by combining individual modules, i.e. by combining, for example, MTM and value stream ideas, it's possible to achieve the best effect and the best results. And we've also achieved the greatest levels of acceptance. This project will then provide these kinds of results and this kind of teaching, where we're able to combine familiar classic methods and approaches in industrial engineering for the individual partners.
Engineering für die einzelnen Partner speziell kombinieren.